my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. Today we're going to be making a swimsuit cover-up from scratch, and let me tell you, this is so easy to make. I never thought of it before, and you can make this from any fabric of your choice. I made it from a knit fabric. I'm going to put a short clip right here. And it's so easy to make, it's so quick, so simple, and it's a free size, so like anybody can wear it. And let me know if you guys like this kind of videos in the comment section down below. It'll let me know that what kind of videos did you like, so I'm gonna make this kind of videos more. And yeah, I'm not gonna do this intro for very long, so yeah, let's just get right into it. So first we're going to be making a skirt, and for that you need the measurement of your hips. That's the broadest portion of your lower body for the skirt. So I've taken 37 inches, and then you need to divide it into two. That is 18 and a half, and we'll fold the fabric. So as you can see, this is 18 and a half, right? And we'll add an inch more, and then we'll cut this fabric. 1 inch more is for the seam, so we can fold it. And as this is a knit fabric, even if you don't consider seam, it's alright. So I've cut the fabric for the skirt. Now I'm going to be making it even from both the sides. This is a kind of fabric where the threads are not going to come out, but still we are going to be folding it and stitching it like this, and then we're going to hem all the sides of this fabric. So now we're going to be making the top. For that you need the same fabric, and I've taken a top with a neck and a sleeve cut out like this, so I can do the cutting from it. For the sleeves, I'm going to be keeping a ½ inch extra and then cutting it out the same way on the other side, and then I'm going to be cutting out the neck. So now we're going to do the same thing with the top as well. We're going to be hemming all the 4 sides. I'm also going to be making this straight. I'm going to be cutting a straight line from here. As you can see, it's not even. So yeah, so the top pattern is ready. I'm going to measure it quickly for you guys so that you can take it down. So for the neck, I've taken 7.5 inches to 8 inches, and then you need to do a slant line that is 15 inches, and the bottom line is around 19 inches. Yeah, so I'm going to hem all this and then I'll be right back. We'll start hemming now. So what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to fold it twice, and then I'm going to stitch here. So now for the edge, I'm going to fold it, and then I'm going to fold it again and stitch, and then just turn it like this and do the same thing on all 4 sides. Now we're going to be making tie-ups for the skirt and the top. So for that I've taken like a plain white poplin fabric because it's like flowy. I've taken that fabric, and I'm going to be marking lines of 4 inches. I'm going to be making 6 tie-ups with the breadth of 4 inches. And I folded this fabric into 2. Yeah, and I'll tell you the length of the fabric as well. So this is 21 inches. You don't need very long tie-ups. That's just my preference. Kept them on each other like 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna fold them into 2. And I'm going to be giving it a shape like this, if you can see. So when you open it, it looks like this. Now, when we're stitching, we're going to fold this into two like this, and then we're going to stitch all the way through the end. Cut it in the middle and then turn it inside out. So we can get two tie-ups from this, two tie-ups from this, and two tie-ups from this. So in total we have 6 tie-ups. So I've hemmed everything and I've stitched the tie-ups and I've turned them inside out, as you can see, and then I've stitched the seam as well so the threads don't come out. So these 6 of them are done, and we have the top ready as well. So this is our top, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take one tie-up and we're going to attach it here like this, and the same way for this. So we're going to attach like 2 tie-ups like this and 2 of them on the neck like this. So we're going to attach these 4 here, and the skirt is ready as well. So for this skirt, we're going to be attaching a tie-up here on this end and the second tie-up on this corner like this. So this was my swimsuit cover up. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys like these kind of fashion DIY videos. I absolutely loved making this one. Like this video, share this with your friends, tell them to try it, subscribe to my channel. All my social media links are going to be at the end of the video and in the description box down below. So do check that out. I'm going to be posting pictures of wearing this swimsuit cover up on my Instagram. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.